Hello my friends, Alena from Intense Memories like to share new project. Actually it's not new, 2 years ago I did very similar mini album, and first I ask you to subscribe my channel, and also if you click on the bell you will know everything what is new on my channel. Idea for this recipe book was to have for every day breakfast, lunch and dinner, and in pocket for each section 4 recipes, so we don't have to repeat all month's recipes. So let's see how it looks inside. On the cover I use a graphic 45 image, and that I and my assistant decorate that recipe. It's in Slovak language. And let's see, it's Monday, have pocket with little tag for some little recipe or something to write. Here is breakfast, and here is tag, and lady and vegetables and fruits I fussy cut, and I put I made collage, and then I copy everything, and here are that 4 recipes, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and easy to slide inside. I put that circle to have chance to pull out. So same is for lunch and dinner. Monday, Tuesday, it's similar, only picture are a little bit different. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I did little bit mistake, so open opposite side, but it's not mistake, it's okay. And Sunday. So hope you like my idea, and see you on next project. Thank you very much to visit my channel, and please subscribe and click on the bell. Thank you. Bye bye guys.